We are lucky enough today to be over at the Asian Inspirations Kitchen, and I'm joined by Maud. Maud, thanks for coming on the Cook's Pantry.
Thank you.
Now, Maud, you're going to cook us another inspiring Asian recipe today.
Yes.
What have you got for us?
So we have a grilled chicken marinated in red curry paste. So normally we use red curry paste for
curry.
Yeah, but we can use as a marination as well.
Great.
Yeah, so we serve it with spicy tamarind sauce. So it's gonna have a little bit of sour.
I love tamarind
and
here.
Sweet from the sugar and spicy from the chili.
So
it's gonna balance
Sounds
everything in
like
there. Yeah.
a flavorful mouthful.
Yeah.
And not too many ingredients, something quick and easy for our viewers at home.
Yes. So now we marinate the chicken first.
Chicken breast?
Chicken breast.
So you're using red curry paste?
Red curry paste, sugar.
Just to balance up some of the chilies.
A little fish sauce. Just a little bit, because saltiness of the curry paste.
So Maud, you're one of the development chefs here at Asian Inspirations.
Yes.
Is this one of your favorites?
This one is one of my favorite because I like the sourness of the tamarind, as I said before, and the marination of the red curry paste is quite nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Nice little twist.
Yes.
So we need to mix this.
You can make it overnight.
Minimum 1 hour, maximum overnight.
Yes.
Okay. This is perfect. Summertime, everyone wants to be barbecuing or cooking outside. This is a perfect one for barbecue. Great. So Maud, the chicken's had an hour to marinate. Very easy, but I could already smell it. Full of flavour, but a quick and easy one for people at home. So a couple of minutes each side on the chicken?
Yes, until it's cooked, actually. Maybe 4 minutes each side.
4 minutes? Yeah. Okay.
During we cooking the chicken, we can make the sauce then.
We multitask?
Yes.
I like it.
Yes. So
how do we do the tamarind sauce?
Very easy. Just only
little dipping bowl?
For
anyone at home that might not have had tamarind before, it's like a very intense lime.
Not sharp as lime.
Yeah.
But it's have some flavor. You can sometimes can feel like sweet a little bit inside.
Yeah, it's a very good one to have at home on hand.
A little bit of the sauce.
Teaspoon, bit under a teaspoon. You can always add more with the fish sauce, can't you? But once too much is in. Sugar.
This one we need a little bit sweet.
So it's all about balance. With Thai.
Water.
This is a Thai recipe.
Yes.
Traditional, or you put your own spin on it?
No, it's traditional.
It's a traditional one.
Actually, we can put all the herbs in there and glutinous rice. We roast it and then we pound it and put inside for the texture of crispiness.
For texture, yeah.
For the chili and
sugar.
That's
a lot of chili,
From the chili and sugar, that's fine. It depends how much you want it. So if you eat very spicy, you can put more chili actually.
Yeah. All right, so with the chicken, we just have a little check to see.
Yes.
I love this. Sauce took 1 minute. Chicken takes about a minute to cook. To prepare.
Yeah.
Love it.
Now we're just waiting for the chicken to be cooked.
Great,
and then we slice it, serve it with a side of salad, and eat it with rice.
I love it.
Good. Yeah.
This is quicker than ordering takeaway, Maud. Much quicker.
You can, like I said, you can marinate it overnight. And tomorrow I want to eat this one. You just cook in like 5 minutes.
Come home from work, 5-minute dinner.
Yeah.
Great. Smells absolutely delicious. That bit of curry paste that you've put on there.
You can smell the herbs and things is coming up.
Yeah. Look at that.
With the side of salad.
Some greens.
Greens.
I'm not going to hang around. There's a little bit on the end here.
Yes.
I'm dying to try. Tamarind sauce is absolutely delicious.
Thank you very much.
Bit tangy, a little bit of heat from the chicken.
Yeah, and sweetness.
Absolutely banging flavors. Maud, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
A different use for the red curry paste. Dinner in under 20 minutes at home for people at home. Maud's Thai red curry chicken with an absolutely cracking tamarind sauce. Thank you, Maud.
Thank you.